Hey guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you how we can see who follows you on Spotify. So what you want to do is go right top corner when you're on Spotify, and then you're gonna see view profile, and right here you're gonna see under your edit profile you're gonna see followers. Let's click on it, and here you're gonna see everyone who is following you, right? And you can see all those people. So that's pretty much it how you do it. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down below in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you and provide you some guidance. And have a great day and goodbye. So again, you go to right top corner, settings, profile, and click followers. So yeah, goodbye.